Good afternoon, class. Mr. Long here. I just wanted to go over the expectations for today's lesson. Miss Collier wanted to let you know, and she put in this post, that tomorrow, Friday, March 20th, there will be no new work assigned. So if you're missing any work for lessons 1, 2, and 3, especially any of your vocabulary work, your summary work, and especially your IXL practice, please get that done either today or tomorrow when you have tomorrow off from any new work. Miss Collier will be posting reflection questions on Monday based on the reading that you have today. And you will also need to make sure that you do the next set of vocab words today. That's vocabs 11 to 20. So you have a link to the Quizlet on a different post. Ms. Collier has also uploaded the full PDF list, but you're making sure you do words 11 to 20. So compromise, counterfeit, defy, devour, dismantle, endure, epidemic. What a word. Figment, flaw, and grimy. You will also need to write sentences for them. You can do it on the document that you already wrote sentences for words 1 to 10, but make sure you change the name to sentences 1 to 20. Again, if you have any questions for Ms. Collier or myself, please don't hesitate to ask. A lot of you have been sending emails or posting your questions on the Google Classroom page, and we're getting back to you guys as soon as we can. All right. Well, if you get all your work done, you have all your work done, then you have tomorrow off and boom, 3-day weekend. But if you need to get your work done, I would get on it today so that way you can maybe have a nice rest tomorrow and this weekend. But that's up to you. Let us know if you need any help.